Alright guys, we got point of view on Skittles here. We'll see how it goes. Hey Skittles. Hey buddy. Gotta get your water bowl ready. Okay. Let's get our stuff ready. Got our hat strap. There you go, Skittles. Hopefully that works okay. Alright, let's put our hat backwards so we can put our head strap on. Yep. And put our thing on. Hi, Skittles. Alright, we won't put our hat strap on until later, but Skittles, we'll have you have the point of view here, okay? Alright, bud. Whoops. We gotta put these gloves in here. We got our cameraman today, guys. Skittles the cameraman. Someone suggested putting the camera on Skittles, so that's what we're doing. Alright. Make sure the car's locked up here shortly. Skittles? You hanging in there? Alright, let's get a couple more drinks of coffee. Skittles got his hair on top. Thankfully it was closed. Alright, Skittles. Let me get that snack bar in here. Got a thing of snacks in here. There we go. A box of snacks. You doing okay, Skittles? Alright, buddy? Ready to go, bud? Sure, tucked in the back. Giving the people a nice view, Skittles. Huh? Alright, Skittles. Put this leftover burrito in my pocket. Alright, lock her up. Make sure we got the keys before we close the door, right, Skittles? Alright, buddy. Come on, Skittles. Come here. Come on. There you go. Yeah. It's gonna bounce around a lot, guys. Skittles, come here. Hold up. Hold up. Let me slant this, tighten this up. There we go. So that's on Skittles' back, guys. So it's gonna be wobbly. Not too fast, Skittles. I don't have mine on a leash. Skittles, come here. Skittles, come back. He's like, wait, Skittles, stop. Stop. You gotta adjust, okay? There we go. Now it's a little the other way. Oh, the mine's probably half a mile back here. Maybe a little less. The main one. Skittles, you're going too fast. Come here. Skittles, come here. Come here. Come. Let's hook you up, okay? Come on. Alrighty, there you go. So we got the camera on Skittles. He's going kind of fast though. So yeah, I went down this road for like 3 miles maybe. The road quits at about a half mile in or so. But then I hiked up the creek. Another probably 2.5 miles. Yeah, the road goes to mine. A lot of roads like this on stuff like this in the boonies went to mines. This one's got tracks in it, like, you know, cart tracks, mine cart tracks. Let me straighten this up, Skittles. There we go. Hopefully that stays better. He's our cameraman for right now, at least. If I want to wear it, I'll have to readjust it. I got a head mount that I can put my phone on it. He keeps shaking because he doesn't know what this thing is on his back. He thinks something's stuck on it. which sort of is. It's okay, Skittles, you'll get used to it. Just like a harness, but I guess you've never worn a harness either. Skittles, you're almost going too fast. Can you slow down just a little bit? Yeah? He looks back at me like, why? What am I gonna do that for? I think this one was a full card, so it shouldn't have anything on it. It's a 256 gig, so it should last a while. Parts of this is the creek, like this little section here is. And then the creek goes to the left there. Skittles, you're going too fast. Can you slow down just a tick? Skittles, slow down. Slow down. You got caught on your back foot. There we go. See guys, Skittles is our cameraman today. He's got the GoPro on right there. Someone suggested him being the point of view, the good old POV. So we're up here, guys. That mountain in front of us, part of that one is Mount Rice, and I don't know if that exact one is. Skittles, what are you doing? Come on. No stop. Skittles, you're getting us all twisted up. But I was on this same trail before when I was hunting. This is the mine that I put in the short to, I said, hey, if you guys want me to come back to explore it, put in the comments to explore. And you guys are all over it. So there's some diggings right there. I never remember seeing those, I don't think, last time I was here. Is there a hole over there somewhere? Or it's just remains from something else. I'm gonna have to check that out on our way out. All right, Skittles. Hey, your camera's crooked, buddy. Let's fix that. Skittles, hold up. It's because the collar keeps pulling on it, pulling it. All right. If you wouldn't walk so fast, you wouldn't have to pull on it, Skittles. Campfire ring there. Last time I was on the lookout for deer. Now I'm on the lookout for just whatever. Just gotta watch out for hunters. There's a few out here hunting for quail. There's a few I passed earlier on the main road. And this right here, Skittles, it's okay. I don't know if you guys see that pole there. Sometimes they have this fenced off. There's another pole way over there that probably used to be on that side. And they'd put a chain across so people wouldn't explore. Because here shortly should be that mine. Not too much farther. It's not far. Or Skittles. He's not sure what to think about this thing on his back. Skittles, come here. Come here, Skittles. Let's unhook you because this thing's just being a pain. Whoa, 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 Skittles. Not the whole thing. The strap came undone too for the holder. You don't want that. The angle it was pulling made it go unlatched. There we go. He's like, are we ready? Yeah, just don't go too far, Skittles. Don't go too far. I need to roll up my sleeve. I'm never getting warm. Skittles, you're going too fast. You got four-wheeler back in here. Skittles, calm down. You're going too fast. Slow down. Last time my pack was way heavier. I had my rifle on, all my hunting field dress and stuff. Skittles, you hear? Huh? You hear something? I think I do too. It sounds like a motor. marking every bush that smells good, huh? What's that? That's a deer carcass. Backbone one. Skittles, come here. Skittles. Stitch your camera. Come here. A little crooked again. Hold still. Here we go. Just want to go sideways on him. Needs more curve for a dog's back. Works well for a chest because it's flat where it sits. He's shaking because he doesn't know what the thing is on his back. Skittles, you're going too fast. Skittles, I don't mean to be mean to you, but you're kind of going fast. Skittles, here. Stop. Hey, you keep messing with the camera. All right, so Skittles, let's go up to this little house here, okay? Let's go up to the little house. So yeah, someone told me later, this little thing here is a moonshine shack. Where Skittles is going in here. Last time I was in here, I took my pack off, rest the gun in here. Skittles, hey buddy. Skittles, come. Hey buddy. Good boy. Good boy. It's a neat little shack.